So this is the harbor in Grenada. We've just boarded a shuttle to go across to Carriacou, which is one of the sister islands. So we're on the Osprey shuttle, and then if you can see, there's one over there. So we're on the same on this side. So this is just a panoramic. The port. I think it's a 2-hour journey to Carriacou. So but it's a lovely day. The sun is up and quite pleasing to the eye. I will keep you posted as we go along. It's a big group and that has its own advantage and disadvantage, but I think we'll just work it as best as it goes. All right.